How to clean Flotex FR. Unlike most textiles, Flotex FR is a textile floor covering that really is easy to clean and will maintain its appearance throughout many years of use. The cleaning process will vary depending on the area of use, the amount and frequency of foot traffic, and the type of dirt being brought inside. Any fresh spillages should be spot cleaned as quickly as possible to allow for easiest removal. For water-soluble stains such as baked beans, jam, eggs, flour, red wine and cola, simply use the scrape, scrub, rinse method. Scrape up as much as you can, rinse with hot water and brush to agitate the pile, then remove any excess liquid. Greasy stains such as butter, olive oil and engine oil will require the use of a detergent. As before, scrape up as much as you can, apply the detergent with a small amount of hot water and scrub with a brush. Then scrape up, ensuring that you fully rinse out the detergent with clean water. More difficult stains such as permanent marker or shoe polish can be removed using a safe solvent. Wipe the affected area, then repeat the process to remove all contaminants. Chewing gum can be removed simply by using a suitable freezing agent. Once frozen, the chewing gum can be easily detached using a scraper and cloth. Daily cleaning involves regular vacuuming with an upright cleaner with rotating brushes. Periodic cleaning may require the use of a mechanical carpet cleaner, such as a hot water spray extractor or a 3-in-1 machine. Unlike other textile floorings, Flotex FR dries quickly after wet cleaning, so areas do not need to be out of use for long durations. For more information or to request a visit from a sales representative, please contact Forbo Flooring Systems either by telephone or email. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter for daily updates, regular blogs and current industry news.